Welcome to the PARS Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to start calisthenics. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. What comes to your mind when you hear the word calisthenics? Maybe you are not familiar with this name, but most likely you've done some calisthenics before. Calisthenics is an old-school Greek term that means beautiful strength. It goes back to the ancient Greeks when their ideal was to engage aesthetic perfection in both physical plus mental strength. Calisthenics is a category of exercising that uses a person's body weight as a resistance, and as a means to maximize human power and athletic ability, meaning it requires minimal or no equipment. Calisthenics are functional body exercises in the way we move every day, like jumping, pushing, but the difference is when you are utilizing your body weight with a purpose, and you're targeting a specific muscle, you'll see how your body is changing, and you will get into great shape. Calisthenics is designed to boost your shape, flexibility, strength, agility, balance, and your heart condition, and everything you need to be a healthy and fit person just by using your body weight. Calisthenic has a great variety of exercises with a different intensity, which can be suitable for beginners, and also for advanced trainees. Now you know exactly what calisthenic is, let's talk about its benefits. This video will give you 5 reasons why it is worth your time. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. One. It is convenient. The first thing that comes to mind when you think about calisthenics is that it is convenient and easy to get started. It does not require any special workout equipment, even a gym membership, just your body weight. You can do most of the calisthenics exercises in your room, in public parks, in the fresh air nearby your home. So, it's available to everyone, and there is no excuse to put it off. Two. It's affordable. As the second pro, we can mention this kind of exercise for its affordability. The nicest thing about calisthenics is that you can do it anywhere. You don't need to pay for a gym membership, trainer, or equipment. All you need is your body. You can take the exercises from free online trainers, and save your money to spend it elsewhere. It is the best way to build up your muscles, improve your health, and get fit without emptying your wallet. 3. It is efficient. As the third nice thing about calisthenic routines, we can point out their efficiency. Calisthenic exercises are compound movements, which means they use multiple groups of muscles simultaneously. They are kinds of exercises that enhance your strength, and burn your fat at the same time. With exercises like jumping, burpees, planks, you are engaging your legs, your chest, your back, and your core, which is the full body range of motions that will lead you to burn more calories, and you can get fit and toned more quickly. Gym equipment is made for a specific region of the body, so the time you can spend on your whole body together with calisthenics, you spend on just one muscle in the gym. As an additional result of working out the total body and improving your overall health, you can also gain the benefits of having a more flexible, more balanced physique. It works on joints and prevents bone injuries. 4. It boosts your daily function. If you want a kind of sport that affects every part of your life, like your health, your shape, and your muscles, and your daily functions, try calisthenics. The reason is this kind of movement develops your stability and mobility, which causes a huge reduction in aches, pains, and the chance of bone and joint injuries in everyday life activities. As a result, you will get not only healthier and toned, but also decrease the risk of accidental injuries. 5. It improves both the brain and the body. The last wonderful aspect of doing calisthenics is that all movements in calisthenics require focus and balance as well as body strength. There is no need to rush up in doing planks or squats and other calisthenic moves. You can just control your body with high focus, and try to connect your body and your mind. It challenges your cognitive abilities in which exercises you have to get over your line, and make it progressively difficult for yourself. After you have been informed about all of these benefits, do you want to try calisthenic exercises? Don't you know how? We'll tell you the 3 most effective calisthenic exercises in the rest of the video. Stay tuned. Before everything, make sure you do a warm-up for 7 to 10 minutes. Your warm-up could be stretches, or low cardio workouts which will increase your heart rate and your flexibility. You may be wondering what kind of calisthenic is proper for your body? Most of the calisthenic workouts are occupying several muscles at the same time, so you will work on your full body. We'll tell you the 3 most efficient total body exercises. The first exercise is squat. Stand up, open your feelings as wide as your shoulders, imagine there is a chair and you should sit down on it, and stay at this position for 2 seconds, get into your squat as deep as you can, stand up again. Make sure you're keeping your back tall, and your chest upright. Never your knees go over your feet. Do this exercise 15 times in every set, you should have at least 3 sets. Rest for 45 seconds between each set. The next great calisthenic exercise is the crunch. As squat, you can do crunches everywhere. You should just lay down, bend your knees 90 degrees, keep your abs muscles tight, put your hand on your ears, try to sit up until your elbows touch your knees. Exhale when you're sitting up, inhale when you're lying down. Do this exercise 30 times in every set, and it's better to have at least 2 sets. Maybe the simplest effective exercise ever is the plank. Your hand should be directly under your shoulder, toes on the ground. Keep your tight and hold your body up for 25 seconds, and do it 3 times. If you shake, there's nothing to worry about. This is the thing that happens for every beginner, so just keep going and burn your muscles. If you are busy all day, and you don't have time for working out, just start with 20-minute easy workouts every day. After 1 month you'll see the results in your mood, your confidence, your body, your shape, and even in your breathing. And I'm sure you will spend more time on it then. Be happy and healthy. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.